Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys camera setting. And today video title is guys how to use Tecno mobile slow motion camera setting. Friends, you want to use Tecno mobile slow motion camera setting. So how to use slow motion camera setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So open your phone camera friends. After on camera, how to use Tecno mobile camera slow motion setting. So friends, you can use slow motion video, short video camera beauty setting, portrait mode friends, you can on super night mode you can use it. So friends, we will click here, we will swipe here, slow motion video friends, we will select slow motion. After after select slow motion friends, we will use this flower video. And friends, start your slow motion video. After start friends, you can check your slow motion video. And friends, now we will stop video, and friends we will play slow motion video. Friends, click here, you can check your slow motion video. So like that friends, you can on slow motion camera mode and you can make slow motion video in your Tecno mobile friends. And friends, you can adjust your slow motion video from here, starting and last ending, you can use it. So I hope friends you understood how to camera slow motion video and how to use Tecno slow motion camera setting. And friends, if you click here, your video will delete, and if you click here, you can edit video. And first option, if you click here, you can share video. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.